Keep quiet when someone is wrong, and don't point it out to them. It hurts their ego.
So back when I did sales, this was actually one of the most useful pieces of information. So you don't tell people what they're doing wrong. Instead, you do things correctly so that when they see the results that you're getting, they realize that they want those results and then they come to you. What this does is it creates a student mentality in people, and it makes it where they're more likely to come to you for advice and less likely to resent you.